In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove that pesky dark layer over your Google Classroom banner. If you've ever tried to customize your classroom, you might have noticed that annoying overlay that dims your banner image. Well, worry no more, because in just a few minutes, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of getting rid of it. First off, you'll need to head over to classroom.google.com, sign in with your Google account to gain access to your classes. If you don't already have a Google Classroom account, you'll need to set one up. This is the starting point for removing that dark layer, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside Google Classroom, navigate to the specific class where you wish to change the banner. At the top of the page, you'll see the Stream section. It's here that you can locate the class banner that you're looking to update. The stream acts as your hub for all class announcements and bulletin posts, which you'll see right beneath the banner image. The next step involves a bit of HTML tinkering, but don't worry, you won't need to write any code. Simply right click on the banner image, a menu will pop up, and you should select the option that says Inspect or Inspect Element. This action opens up a developer tools window on the side or bottom of your browser. This window may look intimidating at first glance with all its code, but you're mainly going to focus on one specific area, the styles. Inside the developer tools window, double check that you're in the tab labeled Styles. This is typically on the right hand side, and it's where you can view and edit the CSS of the page temporarily. Take your time to scroll within this Styles tab, keeping an eye out for any text or sections labeled background color. This is the crucial part, as the dark overlay you're seeing is controlled right here. Scrolling through this section, you'll encounter various elements related to the classroom banner. What you're looking to do is identify the background color property. Once you've found this line, you'll notice there's a little checkbox next to it. To remove the dark overlay, simply uncheck this box. By doing this, you're instructing the browser to ignore the dark color being applied over your banner image, and just like that, the dark layer over your Google Classroom banner should disappear, allowing your custom banner image to show in all its glory. Remember, this change is temporary and only appears this way on your device, so you'll need to repeat it if you refresh or visit the site in a different session. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to enhance the look of your Google Classroom banner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.